Welcome to Linux Help. Today I will show you how to install XAMPP on Ubuntu version 20.4.1. XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stacked with contains PHP, Apache web server, Mysql database, and Perl. It is simple and a lightweight Apache distribution, hence it is extremely easy for developers to create a local web server for testing and deployment purpose. Let's go for the video. Before installation, check the OS version. My OS is Ubuntu version 20.4.1. Download the XAMPP package by using following command. The package is downloading. Once package is downloaded, give the execution permission for the download package. Once completed, install the downloaded package. Install the application. Next, select the components. This is the installation directory. Next, the XAMPP are installing. Once the installation is completed, click finish. Open manage servers. In here, I am going to start MySQL. Click start. Now the database is running. You can view the log by opening application log. With this method, installation of XAMPP on Ubuntu comes with end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.